On this side of the country, yeah, we did have some wintry weather. Still have some here as we head into the evening. Nothing major, though, especially if you're driving out this evening. You could see a few snowflakes around. Most of it heading up now into the foothills and up into the mountains. And we're seeing some of those lighter snow showers moving now just east of Arlington and Mount Vernon. And you go farther south, you can see that's probably covering more of the higher elevations as you get more into Stevens Pass and more right now at Snoqualmie Pass, dealing with some of the lighter snow. That extends farther back towards the west, and the radar's not really picking up on a lot of the low moisture that's in place, but more of a mist and fog really developing over a lot of Puget Sound right now. So if you're heading out, you're going to have to deal with that. As far as some rain shower activity that's in place here closer to the southwest coast, we have some of that there, and that's going to be lifting northward eventually with more of a warm front, which is going to warm things up as we go into the night. Here's a look right now at our Wishkah Valley School net side, and you can tell, yeah, today generally just more of a rain event. A few of us did pick up on more of the snow, but we're definitely seeing that snow at Snoqualmie Pass right now. You can see conditions really reducing some of the visibility, so be careful if you're going to be driving there. Here's that fog and mist we're dealing with in Seattle. Boy, it looks gloomy as we end off this Wednesday. 39, mostly cloudy skies. South wind coming in at about 8 miles per hour, but that south wind going to help to bring up some of that warmer air as we go into the night. Visibility is down to about 1.25 miles right now around Forks here across parts of Puget Sound. 2 miles, maybe even lower in some isolated areas. That's at the airport at SeaTac. Around 3/4 mile in Bellingham. So again, that's going to be probably your main issue if you're driving here later on into the evening hours. Current temperatures upper 30s for Bremerton right now in Seattle. Mid 30s in Everett, while seeing the warmer air coming in. 46 currently in Hoquiam. That's heading its way farther off to the north and to the east. And that's going to help to switch over that very small and brief period of rain and snow that we have across more of northern Snohomish County, Skagit, and Whatcom counties on over to rain as we go into the night. We'll see that switch over by about 9 to 10 p.m. and then we'll continue to keep that more in the form of rain for the lowlands as we go into the rest of the night. The mountains, however, will continue to pick up on more snow throughout the evening, and then we get into tomorrow morning. This is at 8. We start to see another round of rain start to develop. That's going to be with our convergence zone, and you can see that's generally going to be near and north of Everett as we go into the day tomorrow, with more off and on shower activity farther south. We go later into tomorrow afternoon. That's beginning to lift northward and gradually coming to an end as we go into tomorrow night before another round will come in heading on into Friday. And amounts through tomorrow and then heading on into early Saturday morning with the next couple of systems around 1/4 inch, if not less. A little higher out closer to the coast, around 1/2 inch to 1 inch there, and then a little closer to Bellingham around 1/2 inch. And as far as snow amounts, we're going to see around maybe 6 to 12 inches around Snoqualmie Pass, getting closer to Stevens Pass, and then a little higher as you go up closer to Mount Baker as we get closer to 20 inches of snow there. So going to be some good snows on the way for the mountains. However, for the lowlands, we are done with that for now. 45 for a high tomorrow. We'll top off at 46 on Friday. Dry over the weekend with highs approaching the 50-degree mark, actually hitting 50 on Monday with another chance of rain.